Hello, my name is Lucas Gabes. I'm a nutrition and dietetic intern with Garden to Table Nutrition and Collier County Public Schools. Today, we're going to be making golden milk, a nutritious drink that tastes great and is even better for you. Ingredient in golden milk is turmeric. Here we have turmeric that I've harvested from my garden and processed into this powder for us to use. This is a quick and easy recipe that only takes about 5 minutes, and it's great to do before bedtime. So the first step is to get some milk. Here we have organic soy milk, but you can use any that you enjoy. So we're gonna grab 2 cups of milk. So we're gonna pour it into the pot and bring it to a boil. Another great thing about this recipe is that it's very customizable and you can really make it how you enjoy it. So for this time, we're gonna make it with cinnamon, ginger, and black pepper. The next step is to add the turmeric. We're gonna add half a teaspoon into the milk. Curcumin is the main natural polyphenol found in the rhizome of turmeric. It is used in Asian countries as a medicinal herb due to its antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, renal protective, and anti-cancer properties. Next, we're gonna add some black pepper. The reason for this is because it helps with the absorption of the turmeric. I also love my cinnamon, so we're gonna add some dashes of cinnamon as well. If you like ginger like me, add some of it to your turmeric milk, but make sure not to add too much because it could be too overpowering. The moment that the golden milk comes to a light boil, you're done. Take it out, and you can serve it now. So depending on how much turmeric, ginger, or cinnamon that you put, you might need to strain it. And you can do that with a strainer like this. Simply put it over the cup like this and then pour it in. But for me, I'd rather not, so I get more turmeric. For the sweetener, you could use your favorite. Here we have maple syrup and local honey. Fresh golden milk. And there you have it. That's how we make fresh golden milk. I hope you enjoyed and thank you for watching.